Hello traders, Lord Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com, your number one source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this live stream, we have episode 95 of Crypto and Chill. Again, happy Memorial Day. It's still Memorial Day here, so I still shall have my flag on. Okay, thank you. It's my freedom blanket, I like calling it. So, Bitcoin took a turn for the worse after we went off air today, so we'll discuss that and what's next, what's in store for Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, traders alike, you could be doing anything, but you choose to hang out with me, all 70 of y'all, number roughly. I really do appreciate it. Could be doing anything, but you choose to hang out with me and do TA. So I'm very grateful. You've welcomed me into your home to do TA. All right, thank you. So with Bitcoin, yeah, we were just kind of farting around. We even discussed, right? What do you do when you run up, you wick off an old level that was once a support, and you just sell off the whole way before closing? Yeah, it was green. Then you had a 4-hour candle of indecision, and we were literally here talking about this right before I guess we had an hour left, 2 hours left before the next candle. We would have said, this is what happened when you start farting around long enough. You come up, test and fail stuff. You just eventually break down, and sure enough, the foreshadowing was there. You had your warning, bearish tornado warning. We broke down. What did we do? We broke a key level of support, 71.24. We already had it plotted. All right, this is not new. I'm not like, I'm going into my chart and just randomly plotting stuff afterwards. No, this was here. Look left. Previous candle body, high close. All right. We broke down below it, and now we have this crap right here. Another previous candle body close, but it wasn't good breaking down here. So now you've got this and this as a support. And with my horizontal line, you can see how we're clearly just wicking off of it right now, hooking off of it, using it as a resistance now when it once was a support. All right, it was bouncing off of it for a minute and then just completely broke down on that 4-hour candle. So, see what happens. 55 minutes left in this 4-hour candle. Let's get through chat real quick. I was trying to write down some coin requests before. Okay, Crypto Cracker was first. No, nay, Kappa Dappa was first. Thanks so much, Kappa Dappa, man. Seriously. Wow, that's 500 bits, and dude, you were like one of the only people to contribute today, right? Wait, where is it? Yeah, man, thank you so much, man. Seriously, that means everything, Kappa Dappa. Really appreciate the support, and just holler at me if you ever have a coin request, man. Thanks, dude. So, yeah, Kappa Dappa and Crypto Cracker, Skyward. Stoneman, Pablo says, dang, Crypto Cracker needs some luck. Well, here we are, man. We're here. Samuel Rock going down the drain, he says. Maybe we're screwed, maybe we're not. Thanks, Anna. Well, you're supporting live, so yay to that. Mr. Sethi, Verge is on the list. It'll be the first altcoin we'll look at outside the big three or whatever. Can we do EOS? Yeah, Mr. Shalecki. Sorry, I didn't even see that. Yeah, we'll put that in there. We'll go second on that. All right. If it comes back to you, tie it up in a chair. Says Skyward. Yeah, man. Crack-a-lackin'. J-Mon's in the house. Filthy Bear charts. All the red, man. We're used to it. I mean, like, we were born. Our content creation was born into this type of market, man. Crypto Farmer randomly says ice. Just reading chat. Tomas wants Poe. Put it on the list. Done. Hey, Julia. Good evening. Hello, JR Riggs, the Jesus Marine Man and his family. Also the Jesus Peoples. In cash on the list. Mark, thanks for being here. Max Expo. Yes, TRX is on the list. Tron Connect. Hey, thanks for the follow, Top Litecoin Tips on Twitter. The Jesus Man. Power's out, Brandon. Oh, no. No bueno, man. Hey, Arthur. Good evening, man. Good evening. To you and the missus. Cheers, Julia. Thanks so much for the words of blessing for Memorial Day. We'd appreciate it. Because if it wasn't for our veterans, none of us could be here in the West watching TA. We'd all be screwed. We're able to invest in Beanie Babies. Thank you so much. ZRX. Hey, P. Miller, man. I'm doing okay, man. You know, it is what it is. Hey, Juan Pamar. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube, the Jesus Man. Love those Jesus chimes. Yeah, again, doing okay, I guess. ZRX. Good seeing you, Pablo, man. K King's in the house. He wants Knowles. Knowles has been doing well. It's been impervious to the bearish market, but I don't know if that's the case. We haven't looked at it in maybe a couple days. What's up, Pete from Canada? Cheers, Crypto Farmer. Stanley says get wrecked. You get wrecked, man. Driz T in the house. The TA Jesus man. Freedom blanket. So you bought a flag of Kyrgyzstan. You can do that, man. Sorry, I'm just almost through chat. ICX for Leo. Okay, on the list. Give me a sound check. Make sure the balance is good. You know, sometimes I'll review the stream and it's like I can't even hear the music at all. And sometimes, wow, that's way too loud. That's terrible. I need my my room temperature porridge or whatever from the story. Not too hot, not too cold.
You the Jesus man. I am new to you channel, but I am digging the TA. Cheers. Keep up the good work. Z.
Hey, Z, man. It's just zero, dude. Thanks so much for the 1,000 bits. Truly means a lot. And welcome to the family. Welcome to the team, dude. We're all in this crappy market together. We're all in crypto culture together. And we must use integrity and transparency to move us forward. Because that is not the way it's been going. Alright? Started all with a great FOMO. And, you know, the true colors of leaders in the crypto community, it was exposed. Okay, so thanks so much. It's just zero. Glad you're here, man. Thanks for the bits.
Mr. Damon tipped $10. Thank you for saving US in these terrible times. My money has never been safer because of you. Love you, brother.
We'll love you too, Mr. Damon, man. The chair Jesus, man. Dude, it's funny how it said, thank you for saving the U.S. when it's like, wait a second, man. That's our veterans. That's not me. But nah, you know, really do appreciate that. It means everything. The kind words, truly humbling. So, man, I'm going to keep showing up, all right? So you just keep showing up, and we'll just keep growing together. We're preserving capital together, right? So thanks, Mr. Damon. You Jesus, man.
Thanks for the hard work, as always.
Hey, Michael, man, dude, thanks so much for those 1,500 bits, dude. It's a bit night, is it not tonight? Dude, MK, dude, you Jesus, man. Through thick and thin, man. We stick together as a team. You know that, and there will be green days again. But until then, we must just hold the line, okay? Days to make money, days not to lose money, all right? So I'm glad you had a good vacation. And let's just keep on taking this one day at a time, right? Our measure moves hit pretty freaking well a lot, do they not? So thanks again, MK, man. My brother, man. The Jesus, man. What's up, John? Hey, John, dude, thanks so much for the kind words, dude. It means everything. Cabadappa coming in with 500 bits, giving him 1,000 bits on the evening. Dude, thank you so much, man. All the Jesus chimes getting me all excited. Thanks so much, dude. Seriously, Cabadappa. Means everything. Angel from Miami. What's up, Angel? Hope you're staying cool down there. All that humidity gets hot. Could I do some TA on the SPY, Cabadappa? Sure, man. We looked at the QQQ the other day when someone requested the SPY. I mean, we can look literally at the SPY if we want. But yeah, the Qs, SPY, doesn't matter. But yeah, dude, we'll look at that. Yes, sir. Yeah, Nano. Mr. Sethi, did you request a coin earlier, dude? You running me ragged? Are you one of those that's going to run me ragged? Neo? Rolando? I'm going to put Neo on the list, man. Alright? Just getting through chat, almost done. Well, trying to anyway. ZRX got it, Lorenzo. On the list. What to do? Catch a falling knife each step of the way. That's right. Wait until we get a for real turnaround, right? On volume. Yeah, Knowles is on the list, man. Penetrex. Gross. Thanks so much for the follow on Twitch, the Jesus Man. Welcome to the team. How low can Bitcoin go? 6,300 was the measure move of the most recent bear pull bear flag. All right. Look, I mean, we had a bear pull bear flag, and eventually hit the measure move. We're gonna do it again probably. It's just zero. Wow, it's just zero. Seriously, man, you're contributing bits before you're even following me, man. That's awesome. Oh, the Jesus chimes. K-King 1367, man. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. The real Jesus, man. I love this. Let's just keep the Jesus chimes going all night, man. That'll be like a sermon. BQX blockhead. Yeah, we can do that, dude. Put it on the list. VTC hype. Hoolie bots. Hoolie boots. Don't tell me you work for, what's his name? Gavin Belson. Oh, God. You're screwed. Okay, just trying to get through chat. Yeah, man. 6 a.m. Have a good one, man. Sleep well, my brother. Any good news for Bitcoin, or are we dead? Probably neither. You know, a lot of times good news or are we dead, that's kind of like hyperbole on both sides. We're probably in the middle. Rolando. Right? Just almost through chat. All right, I love engaging with y'all. Please let me do it. You know how ridiculous I get on TA when we start going. All right, so just almost done. Any chance we can take a look at Zcash again? We can look at it, man. Like you know, very like at the beginning, dude. The contribution, dude, for you. That's ZEC, right? Sure, man. It's on the list, dude. You'll be surprised when we do it. So stick around. Lee G got EOS on the list. Morse code wants yo-yo. Oh God, I don't know why you want yo-yo. It got absolutely taken to the shed, man. The Probes family. Hello.
The Probst family tipped $25. Happy Memorial Day, Hawk family.
Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Probst, Emily and Jeff Probst. Thanks so much for the $25 contribution. I hope you enjoyed the Jesus chime, man. Hope you enjoyed it, dude. Cheers. Cheers to you and the fam. Hope y'all had a wonderful, holiday today. Hope you ate barbecue and ate so much you had to pass out because it was just too much food, man. Food coma. C&D for the stacking stoner? Sure, man. Don't stack too much stones, or you'll break your back out, right? Penetrex, man. Dude, seriously, Penetrex, thank you so much for the sub on YouTube. You the real Jesus, man. Means everything. Now you get to use the Viking emoji over there. It's fun. And at 5,000 subs, less than 1,000 now, I will be a wizard, and we already declared we will make a wizard emoji for Twitch for subs. So thanks so much, Penetrex. You Jesus, man. GNT Penetrex, yeah, man. We'll put it on the top of the list up there. Well, one of them, just because we had several requests from contributions. So yeah, absolutely, man. In cash on the list, Jason. Thanks for being here, dude. And sorry, ladies and gentlemen, just know if I did miss your request, I do apologize. Okay. And just be sure to just repeat it or something. So if I'm scrolling through chat, I'll be able to see it again, okay? So please don't take anything personal if I miss your message, okay? Sorry. Hello, Sensei, Billy. Silence, quiet. Kappa, good seeing you, Billy, man. Cheers, year. J-Mon. That's right. Okay, we did it. We made it through it. Can you believe it? Okay, Bitcoin. Showing a little bit of green right now, but we're wicking off 7124, an area that was once a support, using it as resistance. That's what you most commonly do, okay? You know, your selling has gotten very, very tired. See what we're doing right now? This is literally all we're getting on our selling, on our negative momentum. I really am curious to see how far we'll go. I wonder if we'll pick up any volume on any more sell-offs. It's going to be interesting to see. But you know what that means, right? If you get levels like this where you're making a lower low on price than this low, and you're getting this much negative momentum, that is insane levels of bullish divergence. So will be interesting to see. Obviously it's not over. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying whatever happens, you're gonna end up getting bullish divergence. Okay, but for now it's just like very strong, very, very crappy on your RSI. You're very weak. You're right at like 30, 31. So you're very bearish. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Pretty decent volume on this move down. Okay, decent amount of selling there. So we'll see how it plays out. Okay, I want to see how large our histogram wick can get. Kappa, but not Kappa at the same time. You get it. You literally get it. Let's go to Ethereum. Inverse Jesus coin now. Straight up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got a little pop up to the upside, right? Got a bullish engulfing candle on the way. I wonder how high we'll go. We're very, very far away from that 20 MA. 20 MA is 7.7% of a Bitcoin. We're currently at 7.3% of a Bitcoin. So it's crazy. We didn't even get bullish. Look, we didn't even get bullish divergence, right? You had like bearish convergence when you made your move down, and now we're spiking to the upside. Interesting. You know, you were oversold like crazy. You were 23. Now you're just getting out of oversold territory. And it's most likely just to create the beginning of some sort of, you know, flag crap. But again, here, you got to think about it like this. Up here, we weren't even sold. We were not even convinced that we were done at all. We did not make the measured move yet on this bear pole, bear flag breakdown. We are at the 382. We're breaking back to the upside around that 382 area. So it will be interesting to see what develops out of this, okay? So we had a little bit of fatigue in the selling. You know, normally when you break down like that, you don't really do that. You normally would want to go up like this, then break down more, but you kind of downward sloping flag crapped, and then just got a little tired, sold, you know, and now you're decompensating and breaking to the upside a little bit. So that's fine, but just know the trend you're in right now, okay? So that's it. That's Ethereum. Soon enough, we'll end up drawing a channel so you can see it. I mean, it's there. You know, we could probably just do it now. Just get rid of the... Hold on. Let me show you what we're talking about. That's it. See, that's what's going on right now. We are in a downward sloping channel. We just respected the bottom of the channel, of course. Now we're breaking to the upside. We could run all the way up to the 20 MA. But just know, if this is in fact that, this is most certainly got to be a swing low now at this point with this kind of bullish engulfing candle we're getting. We have 39 minutes left on the 4-hour candle from the swing high to swing low. We're not even at, look, from swing high to swing low, you have not even hit 38% of the way yet, okay? Remember common retracement areas before breaking to the downside again? The 382, the 50%, and the 618. So it would not be surprising at all at this point if we hit the 7.49% of a Bitcoin, if we hit the 7.59% of a Bitcoin, or the 7.7% of a Bitcoin, all right? All three of these areas are common. We could run to and then break down. All right, there's Ethereum. Finally, after just lots of blood, you're finally waking up a little bit just to make probably a common retracement before breaking down to lower prices again. What you'll do is you'll end up making a lower high than your previous high, break down, probably make lower lows than your previous lows. Okay, that's it. Nothing crazy about it at all. Let's go to XRP. How you doing, XRP, man? Hanging in there? I'm sure you maybe aren't. Okay, with XRP, look what we're doing. Same type of stuff. You're at the bottom of a channel. You're bouncing off the bottom of the channel. Look left. An area of support we talked about. We discussed this in the stream today. We hit it like the Jesus man. Now we're showing some sort of double bottom crap. Not really. Okay, it looks just more like you're using this downward sloping channel trend line as a support. Alright, and that just coincides with looking left at this area you're using as support. Okay, great. Strong support. Great. Talking about measure moves, 53 cents and 49 cents, depending on which measure move we're talking about. Okay. Bullish divergence all around. Okay, you got bullish divergence on the daily, you got bullish divergence on the 4 hour from this low to this low. Then you have bullish divergence from this low to this low. So impending price action reversal, despite how crappy it'll be. Yeah, I could see us breaking to the upside, retracing appropriate levels, and then breaking to the downside again. Not really a big deal. It's very common. That's exactly what happens with coins, with equities, with securities that are on a chart. They retrace. It's no big deal, man. Everyone calm down. Settle down in the chat, alright? Don't freak out. Okay, so downward sloping channel, what did we do? Made a lower high than our previous high. Lower high than our previous high. Lower high than our previous high. Get it? The trend sucks. The trend sucks. I wonder where we bottom out at. Will we make a higher low ultimately when we turn things around for real? Or will we just come down to double bottom or break below these old early April levels? You remember these times? I do. Don't get screwed. Alright, that's XRP. Congratulations. Let's go to the QQQ, which is the S&P 500, an ETF of it. It's in my portfolio. It's a wonderful, wonderful ETF. This made me a ton of money, alright? So I figured why not look at this one if you're asking about the SPY. This is how I invest in the SPY. One way anyway. I have other ETFs and equities that are in the S&P 500 and also have blends of securities in the S&P 500, okay? But this is just one of them. Everyone calm down. Alright, so zooming out. We looked at this, I think, yesterday, last night, whatever. Okay, we discussed. Back here, this was the lowest low of the global financial crisis. It all began a double bottom. Ran up. Tested these old 2008 levels before the huge plunge down. From there, it just started running up. Okay, started making consecutive higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Things we want to see Bitcoin do, but Bitcoin just doesn't want to play ball anymore, okay? For 2 years, though, Bitcoin did do that. So we can't really be upset with something like Bitcoin doing what it's doing now. I mean, you had too much time to bask in the glory of a wonderful bull trend with Bitcoin, okay? Don't be upset about it. Maybe you should have gotten in earlier or whatever, if you're truly that upset about it. Okay, you shouldn't be upset, though, because there's no motion in charts. These are just inanimate candles that are on a chart that represent price action between buyers and sellers, okay? So don't be upset about it. But anyway, look, S&P 500 from November of 2015 all the way to November of 2016, didn't make a dollar, did not make a dime. But from there, after the US presidential election, that was the catalyst that began a huge move to the upside, brought us to the top part of the channel. We've run all the way up, and it's been going so nuts that we're actually outside of it right now. Just wonderful. Okay, so currently, the way I'm looking at it, I think we just have some new little channel we've developed, all right? That's a good scope of vision for us, right? We have 2 touch points on the top, 3 on the bottom, really, and then we've got respect on the heart line. Looks very valid to me. All right, so I want to see if we can break this heart line, and then if we do break that heart line, we could very well see, I mean, first off, you're going to test 175 roughly, and if we could break above that, we could definitely see 180, 181. Well, this song's freaking me out, man. You know how it is, getting freaked out by music. Okay, so that's your QQQ. Currently, right now, on the daily, you're making Class C bearish divergence. Not really what you want to see. It's not the the weakest form of bearish divergence, but it just signifies momentum stagnation in the market. Okay, so but you're above the 20, the 50, and the 200. Great, freaking great. You're above the channel that you've been in since 2007 or 6 or whatever. Crazy stuff. So S&P 500, the stock market's just been doing gangbuster stuff for a year and a half or more now. Just wonderful. If you missed out on this, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry if the reason you got into finance was because of Bitcoin going to 20K. That is a huge injustice, and I'm sorry that you got in because of that, but you did miss out. You missed out on not only the Bitcoin run, but also the stock market run if you did that. So all we can do is look forward and see what's in development next. Okay, so that's the S&P 500, the QQQ. It's outside of a channel that goes all the way back, extends all the way back to 2006. All right. Hope that helps. I think that was that Zero or Kappa Dappa? One of y'all requested the QQQ or the S&P 500. Doesn't matter. ZEC. Let's look at ZEC for somebody who also, I think that was maybe Zero or Penetrex. I can't remember. All right, forgive me. It's okay. We're still gonna look at them. Oh wait, sorry. This is the wrong. Oh no, this is the right one. That's it. Oh my God, yes! No one's asked about it. No one has asked about it. Oh my God! Measured move, ladies and gentlemen. You've hit it like the Jesus, man. You freaking hit it like the Jesus. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, dude. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Rising wedge pattern. And we even talked about, like, oh man, we like made the joke about, no, whatever, Ray, whatever. We don't believe you, dude. I don't believe you, man. This thing's gonna go to the moon, man. Nah, you're right. Rising wedge. You're gonna get wrecked. Measure moves here. Yeah, here it is. We fell out barely, but now look at it. Oh, whatever, man. No one cares. No one even freaking cares. Just like Vin, the Jesus man. The TA was so wonderfully respected. I love TA. You should love TA too, and if you don't, get out of here. Lowest level of momentum we have seen. No, this is the RSI, excuse me. 16 on the RSI. It's still not even all-time lows on weak or on strength. You hit 10 at one time. How did you hit 10? My God. Oh, okay. Oh my God, what? Okay, so yeah, get destroyed. Just get out of here. It's over, man. So what's next? Well, we need pattern development, okay? Once your measured moves get hit, all that, wait for that pattern development, okay? So we'll see back to earth, back inside this channel that we just completely went insane on. So who cares, right? Who cares about measured moves? Who cares about TA being respected like the Jesus man? Scrolling through chat real quick. Engagement keeps me fresh, okay? Billy's up there in Lone Grove, Oklahoma. Don't get no tornadoes, man. Y'all get too many of them. Do you have a storm shelter, dude? Like an underground storm shelter? To my epic short, Skyward? What are you talking about? Because we're not quite there. I think it's only began, right? That shorting probably, that FOMO will get probably much, much nastier on the ETH shorts chart. Stanley says, respect the TA. That's right, man. Good God, MK. That's ridiculous, man. That, you know, that's money flowing out. Money flowing out. It's not shorts, right? It's not the shorts. King Logan's addicted to shorts. You feel guilty for loving these bear trends? Hey man, the trend is your friend. You must be the wolf, right? You must play both sides. As the trader. What's up, Adolphe? How you doing, man? How long's the stream been on? 32 minutes now. Thanks for being here. Not supposed to wear a flag? Oh yeah? Ah, okay, Dolphe. Gotcha. Yes, I'm hyped. Whatever, man. Leave me alone. Okay, we did it. We did it, man. We got through chat. It's lit. Kappa. Mini Kappas. In the heat? What heat, man? Oh, I love shorts. I'm wearing shorts. Some form of shorts. Okay, below the 200, the 50, the 20. You're fast approaching this 200 with your other MAs, your faster scale MAs. So, oh, of course, yes, you have bullish divergence. Yes, we know that. Congratulations. There's the EC. Get destroyed. Thanks so much for requesting it. Thank you so much. GNT was also requested by a contributor. Thanks again for all those contributions. Means everything. Hey, Golem coin broke out. It doesn't matter if it broke out, because what did we say? Just because you break out of a downward sloping resistance area doesn't mean you're scot-free. You have to then, after breaking out of that downward sloping resistance, you have to break horizontal line resistances. Looking left, previous candle body high closes 6.8, 6.7. Got like tweezer triple top crap. Whatever, not really. Tweezer double top, but you also triple topped. So, but you're still holding somehow. Stay above the 20 and the 50 and break that area. If you break that and hold above it, it could be a very nice run up. A very, very nice run, okay? Finally, something that looks okay, but still is weak. Showing lots of weakness here. Your breakout was on elevated, you know, more elevated than average volume, but not really much to hold a flame to. Nothing crazy, but one to watch. GNT set an alert. Set an alert. Okay, man, that's GNT. We just discussed it. Break 6.8, 6.7 on volume. Hold above it. Use it as support. Then make your move again. Your next level of adversity from there would be 72.83. Okay, if it starts getting to that point, you just use Fibonacci from the swing high to swing low and look at your retracements. Okay, so you'd be looking at 82.02 as a good target, and then 87.19. But really, the 50% is a big target that you'd be looking for if we started breaking to the upside, making higher highs. But we're not making higher highs, higher lows yet. Not yet. We've only made one higher high. Since then, we've only double topped. We technically, on candle body closes, made a lower high than our previous candle body close high. So remember that. Okay, that's G&T. Hope that helps. Gollum. Get smeagled. All right, let's go to Verge, man. Sorry, man. Whoa. Verge, what happened? Bull trap. We discussed it could have been a bull trap. We don't know, but it's very important either way. So look left. This extends back all the way before the Great FOMO, the 12th of December. First touch point. Second touch point was the 18th, 19th of March. George Harrison, man. George Harrison, man. I keep thinking about George Lucas and Harrison Ford. George Harrison, man, you were confusing me, dude. Thanks so much for the $5.01, man. The Jesus man. Am I crazy? Did anyone else think Star Wars when they heard that name? George Harrison? Maybe I'm weird, man. Thanks again for the contribution, George. We'll look at LTC next, right after Verge, okay? So, yeah, with this coin, man, I think One Man Army summed it up as, what do they call it? Garbage Pail Kids or something? I think it's like Cabbage Patch Kids, but for garbage or something. I don't know. I don't know what that means, but maybe he's onto something. You're hanging on by a twig, literally hanging on by a freaking wick. Not much more around here holding you up. Look left, absolutely nothing. Outer space, inverse, Interstellar Jesus Man. Okay, so twig and thatch here, a wick, kind of a miniature swing high, but not even really, and nothing. Dude, I don't know why this wouldn't go lower. I'd be very surprised to not see this thing go lower at this point. The way this is looking, this looks terrible. Please protect your money. Don't buy in being weird on just weird stuff, okay? Oh, I got a hunch, man. I think Verge is going to the moon. It's like, wait for a trend reversal. Wait till the trend's good. I mean, my God, we made a friggin' video and published it on our YouTube channel about the Golden Cross. You had an entire month to make money before it eventually inevitably tanked. And now we're below those levels. We're actually still, yeah, we're below the levels, or right around where they are when we made that video about, hey, Golden Cross, you tripled in value since we made that video. And then now we are back to where we started. That's trader's market, not a hodl mark. Hodl, man, hodl. Yeah, dude, go ahead and lose all your money. Congratulations. You know what you hodl? You hodl investments that make hundreds of millions of dollars per quarter, if not billions per quarter. Those are the investments you hold, okay? They have really good earnings. They have good guidance. They have good leadership, good fundamentals, good revenue streams. How do they make their money? What kind of business model do they have? That's what you invest in. And just so happens, unfortunately, most of that's all in the stock market. So, but whatever. Who am I to say? One can invest in whatever they want. But hey, what about Verge, man? Well, yeah. What is Verge? What's its revenue stream? Oh well, they've been asking for donations and stuff. Well, who thinks this thing's going? Why would anyone with a lot of money invest into this crap if they're asking for donations and that's all they have? It just doesn't make sense. You're never going to get institutional money really getting into this stuff. I mean, like, really. No, man, you're wrong. Okay, whatever. Excuse me. Okay, you're below critical upward sloping support that stems back to the 12th of December before the great FOMO of our time. Alright? See you, bye. Downtrend very well established. Okay, yes. Bullish divergence on the daily. Bullish divergence all over the place. Who cares? Great. What, are you just going to do this? You just going to do this? Verge? Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, I missed out, man. That's not going to happen. You'll see it. We analyze this stuff every single day. Hey, Miguel Lopez, what's up, man? Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. You're the Jesus man. Look, sometimes tough love, alright? That's the way it works. LTC to USD, whatever you want. It's for you, George Lucas Harrison Ford. Hybrid. He fused, man. He used the earrings. Litecoin, well established. Downward sloping channel. Bear pull, bear flag, measure moves, $96.46. What did we do? Well, we had a fantastic looking sim triangle. What did we do? Reaction low here, mini reaction lows here. We've broken out of it bearishly. Alright, Bitcoin tanks anymore. You're going to get more and more. The lower you go, the more confirmation you get that this thing is for real broken out. I mean, we did back test, I think. Did we? No, we didn't back test, but we sure as heck got back in here multiple times. So there was no, that could always happen. At some point, come back, test this, and then break down even lower. Look, and here's the thing. Yes, bullish divergence. Yes. About time, right? You made a low on price, you made a lower low on price, you're making much lower levels of negative momentum. Okay, big surprise. Same thing on the RSI. You made a low on price, you made a much lower low with higher levels of relative strength. Great. Both your oscillators are saying turn around. Both of them. All right. I don't know. Yeah, people are like, oh, is that a wedge, man? It could be a wedge. Archie Brown, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube, the Jesus Man. Really appreciate you. You got any questions about TA, hit us up in the chat or the Discord. Alright, looks like maybe a falling wedge or something kind of like that. I mean, you know, could be. But your top touch point's kind of weird. It doesn't really come on up, right? Wanted this a little bit higher. Either way, a downward sloping trend line for a little bit of a scope of maybe an area of support we might touch before breaking to the upside. Okay, before we back test this area, because we never really truly, when we broke out for real, we never back tested. So we might come up here, hit it, and then break down. Okay, from there, with the oscillators telling us we're going to turn things around, with us making a lower low on price with much. You get this one green candle right there. Forget that, man. Never mind. I'm not even going to mess with the volume talking about that. Alright, so 17 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. Maybe a wedge. Maybe you're just a scrub coin that broke out of a sim triangle. And yeah, you're beaten down really bad. You got some bullish divergence on the 4-hour and you might break to the upside. Probably just going to make a lower high than your previous high. Alright, Death Cross, when was that? Well, that was on the 15th of this month. 15th, 16th, whatever. Using the 20 as a resistance, as you do when you are scrub coin. Again, measure move, bear pole, bear flag, 96.46. Let's see if we respect the TA. I wonder. We'll know in time. Yeah, Stuart Sutcliffe. Thanks for the 502. One-upping George Harrison, Forden, Lucasen. Dude, is that you? No. That's not our Stuart. I mean, Stuart, any Stuart that's here contributing, of course. But it's not our Stuart H. What's going on, man? We getting infiltrated with Stuarts, man? Hey, dude, thanks again for the $5.02 one-upping George Harrison. Alright, yeah, put EOS. We'll look at that next, okay, man? Crazy, man. Okay. Understand the context of what's going on. We are holding these areas looking left, horizontal line supports, okay? But we've already, let's see if we've broken a couple. Now it seems like we're at these two. Okay, if you break that, you got this, and then you got these wicks down here. You don't have much support left. Look left. There's nothing out here. You have twig and thatch here, and just a couple supports that, if I'm telling you, if the market Bitcoin goes down any further, this is going same thing, down with it. All right, but just know we might get a short pop soon, break to the upside, if only temporary. Okay, and it may not be a very high move to the upside. Okay, got to retrace though. You always have to retrace. Okay, let's go to EOS. How did that hold up in the Bitcoin storm that happened this afternoon? Couldn't hold a flame. Couldn't do it, man. You just try. You've been trying and trying and trying, but here's the good thing. Though we did break down, it was a tweezer, double top, whatever, bearish engulfing candle at the same time, you still maintained prices above the 50 MA, which is great. That's okay to do that in bull trends. All right, you have your 20s above your 50, so your candles just really need to break back to the upside again. Okay, we had this area that was completely disregarded thanks to most likely Bitcoin's volatility. These altcoins are highly adversely affected by Bitcoin volatility, whether it goes to the upside or downside. Okay, so that big red candle was because Bitcoin tanked earlier. I mean, it dropped from, you can call it tanking, whatever, 72.27 down to its lowest low was like 7,000, so a couple $100 real fast, and that'll affect these coins. So anyway, we already have these horizontal lines drawn up, 16,723 and 16,940. That is a what I call a resistance zone. Look left, you have candle bodies. Most recently were never able to break it, except this tweezer double top came to test the 200 and broke down from there. But look left, previous candle body high closes here. You got support wicks and candle body closes here, wick here, candle body closes here. All, I mean, huge battleground zone for these candles. So we knew this was going to be a level of adversity, but as long as you stay within this channel, this upward sloping trend line, right? Your lowest low was on the 18th of March. We had our second touch point on this channel on the 9th of April. We fell below it briefly, but shot right back up into it, and we're still in it. So let's stay above this area, and everything else should work itself out. We did say that if, in fact, since we did break out of a falling wedge pattern, if we did, in fact, continue moving up, our measured move on the falling wedge would be 22,069 area. Okay, so see how that goes, right? Anon, man, did you mean to be Anon? Thanks so much for the $10 contribution, and that's always what I'm going to be, and that's why I'll probably never have a billion viewers and subs and all that, because people like hearing what they want to hear, right? And maybe it's not always what they need to hear. So I'm going to do everything in my power to keep being a positive influence in your life, and I will break my back to try to preserve your capital in these ridiculously crazy, unregulated 24/7 markets, okay? So thanks again, Anon. You're the Jesus man. Just let me know if you want to be recognized. I know sometimes we've had issues where people didn't mean to be anonymous, okay, on their contributions. So let's take a look at chat real quick. That was EOS right there. We just knocked it out. All right, we've been going 48 minutes now. If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. It really does help us out, believe it or not. Because when this video becomes a static video, all the engagement with the likes and views, that turns into SEO weight. So we show up on crypto search from YouTube and all that, and so we get more views, more upvotes, more subs, and then we grow faster. So you're doing your part when you hit that like button. So thank y'all so much, the Jesus peoples. Just going through chat real quick, okay? Here comes the sun. Billy Langford says, is it what, in Oklahoma? No sun? Jeff in the house, the Jesus man. The grandson of Han Solo. What? What's up, Miguel Lopez? Huddle Monster. He hasn't slept. I don't sleep, man. I'm a robot. Lando taught me the way. D-way. Blockchain Amazon? What do you mean? STQ? You're saying literally that's Amazon's, or is it a ripoff and it's not really truly affiliated with Amazon? Turnio? What are y'all talking about? Crazy stuff, man. Crazy, crazy stuff. Cross over the dark side. Who's Chuck? Chuck-a-luck, man. K-King. BBI. What is BBI, man? I just don't know, man. Have I noticed any altcoin Zero that does not mirror Bitcoin as closely as most? I have seen a lot in this market, and sometimes you have coins that inversely, they move inverse of Bitcoin, but it has nothing to do with Bitcoin. Like, okay, for instance, DGD, right? Everyone's like, oh my God, man, it is literally a hedge against Bitcoin. Maybe at the time. Not anymore. It's not doing that at all now. So, also, there was a time when the entire market was tanking and the only thing that was going up was Ripple. There was a time when the whole market was tanking and there was nothing going up but Ethereum. Okay, it's an ever-changing Jesus energy, man. It's to Jesus, man. It flows from coin to coin, and I've never seen, besides a shorts chart, and not even now, not even the shorts charts on some are being inversely affected, right? The charts aren't correlating the opposite direction, right? Whatever. So hope that helps, Zero. Not really, man. It'd be too easy if that was the case, right? If it was just like that all the time. Beetle's names? What is this kicking? What's a Beetle's name? Cheers, Mark Eanes, man. B-Slice in the house. Wasabi B-Slice, what happened? Is he a spicy B-Slice now? OG certified, that's right. Jeff, the long snapping, tight ending, Coach Probston, Tom Brady and Guy. Jesus, man. Yeah, like literally breaking my back. Like literally. El Pingo says, poor K, but why what, man? But why what? LTC is Chuck, okay, man. Yeah, ADA gets screwed. Cisco, man. I'm confused, man. Pete Best, dude, thanks so much for the $5.03 contribution. What's going on with the $5.01, $5.02, $5.03? What is going on? It's the same person. Who's pulling the proxy tip war? Who is doing it, man? This isn't the Cold War. Thanks, Billy, man. Is there a way to look at a promising ICO, sort of a technical analysis starting point projection? No, if it's not on TradingView, we won't look at it. Because, I mean, look, most of these coins already are beanie babies that don't have any intrinsic value, don't have a working product, that don't change the world, that don't provide a good or service for anybody. So we already make fun of these coins. What do you think we do to ICOs? Things that are even worse than that. They're even like, they're in the beginning stage. They're like a beanie baby before it's even a beanie baby. It's just a bunch of, you know, raw materials. I don't know. Great. So, no, we don't look at ICOs. There's no point. I mean, yeah, that's like get rich quick, man. Pump and dump. Let's do it, man. It's funny. It's like, you know, when Apple was an IPO, an initial public offering, same thing as an ICO, but on the stock market, it didn't see higher prices than its IPO price for a year, and it made money and advertising and all that. It actually made money, and these coins, they don't even have revenue at all. So yeah. Just reading chat, almost done. You want to hodl my hand, Adolphe, man? Here comes the Justin Sun. Is he going live or something on Periscope or something? I know I'll get an alert if he does. Just a bunch of beans, Lord Dumpington. That's right, man. That's right. Okay, he's an ex-Beatle. Gotcha, man. Sorry. I'm not a Beatles guy. I never really was, I don't know, I was like more into Pink Floyd and Led Zeppelin and all that. You know, you kind of go one route or another with those bands, I think. Alabama Securities Division issuing cease and desist orders for ICOs. Stuart, I have no idea. But, you know, there's only like... you know, honestly, King Logan, I think you can answer that better than me, right? You can probably answer that question better than me. Y'all have been all watching the stream. I want to know your opinion of me. Me, not, you know, with no names given to me by society, who I am, right? Who you think I am. Because if I'm streaming every day, multiple times a day, for months now, you've gotten to know me pretty well. Probably way better than I think you have, because like I'm literally just talking, and my soul and brain is like literally on camera. It's almost like I'm doing an IRL stream, like those IRL people that are just walking around with their lives, but you're just seeing me multiple times a day sitting in a chair doing TA, because it's way more valuable than just walking around. So I don't know, man. Like, I know that's the request. And, dude, again, thank you so much. I didn't thank you, dude. Thank you so much for the $28.88. It was kind of deep, man. It was kind of deep. So, you the real Jesus, man. And I hope you like the deeper Jesus chimes. It's kind of harder to hear. It's not as... It's just a deeper, lower tenor on the secondary Jesus chimes, man. But I just try to pause the music when it comes on so people can hear it. But... yeah, man, y'all let me know. I don't know. Like, I just feel like I'm I've tried everything in my power to help people and accelerate other people's careers and make society a better place in my local community. That's what I did for my 20s, as well as, make money for myself too at the same time, right? With investing and trading in stocks, and that worked out. And I don't know, just feel like a guy trying to help others and try to make my way in this world and try to figure out what it's all about, because I don't really know. I don't really know what this life's all about. All I know, helping people makes me feel good. So it makes me feel good, as Bobby Boucher would say. Bobby Boucher. Sorry, it's changing the song. Got a little quiet. So, yeah. The Beanie Babies before the TY tag. That's right, One Man Army. The Wabi Road. Oh, Mark, was that you, dude? The Anon? That was the $10 contribution? Heck yeah, man. Dude, Mark, thanks so much again for that $10 contribution. You the Jesus, man. Assuming that was you. Thank you, brother, man. Means a lot. And thank you for the kind words, too. And all the support. He was behind it last time, Stuart. That freaking King Logan, man. Stuart Sutcliffe. Yeah, I don't even know who that is, man. It seems like it was in CCN about Alabama Securities Division. I don't know, man. Probably something about me. I'm probably the only person in Alabama in crypto. I mean, y'all, like, right? How many people we got chiming in out of all these months where y'all been here watching every day and night? If someone's like, hey, I'm from Alabama too. None. Like, freaking one maybe, if that. Cheers, Exposed. All right, Stanley says, I remind him of Opie Griffith. That's like Ron Howard, right? I think. Dang RV Park, says Jonathan, don't get destroyed. Thinks the music you like. Do you like the music too, man? Because your name maybe is relevant to the question? You think I'm the most cynical TAist, which makes you love me even more than any other? You tell me what I don't want to hear. Well, I'm sorry you don't want to hear it, but it's tough love, Iconic, so I'm glad you're here, dude. Silence, Billy. Kappa. A dazed apparition wrapped in an enigma. What the heck, drill bit? That might be good or bad. I don't know. Sounds bad. Cheers, Zero, man. Very, very nice, man. I really appreciate that. Fancy action in the house. What's up? What's going on with cryptos? It's a mass genocide. Well, whatever, man. Not so much. That's, Zach, just a hyperbole. It's okay, man. It's not that bad. Aeon was requested by Pete Best. Okay. Oh, get wrecked, man. Get freaking wrecked. You had you had an uptrend, you had an upward sloping channel, you broke the channel. What happens when you break the channel? It gets bloody, it gets nasty. So you're approaching that 100% retracement. You're almost there. I don't know why you wouldn't hit it at this point. It was just, what'd you do? You ran up, retraced 50% probably of the way from the swing high to the swing high, and broke down again. And now you're making lower highs than your previous highs, and you're coming back up, probably test this 20 MA to break down to lower prices again, to touch this 2483 area. It's a very good possibility, alright? Yeah, you still have some slight form of bullish divergence, but not in your most short term. From this low to this low, you actually made bearish convergence. But you did make bullish divergence on the RSI. On Aeon. For Pete Best, man. You go to get kicked out of the Beatles more, scrub. Sid Barrett and Pete Best, they should have made their own band, man. It'd have been amazing. Okay, so let's see if we can run to the 2745 area before breaking down again. I mean, I don't even know, man. Is this the swing high? Seems more like this is the swing high. Miniature swing high. On the daily, this would be a swing high. So you could run up even the 2723, 2780, or 2837, and it wouldn't even be weird. Okay. So that's Aeon. Bear trends, like most of the rest, alright? Just consistent lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs, over and over and over. Get wrecked. Oh, my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for your local on the 8s. I missed it. I'm sorry. I'm off with my head. Wire candle closed. It closed. Okay, you could say it's some sort of double bottom on the candle body, you know, whatever. But here's the thing. You wicked off, remember? This was an area of support right here, and we wicked off of it. We used it as a resistance. Okay, and now we're barely holding this weak, really weak area of support. This and this crap, whatever. Alright, let's just have it. I mean, you're just gonna get these miniature areas with low volume like you've got now. You're gonna test all of them for the most part. I don't know why you are, but I get it. It makes sense. Okay, you just... Oh, what, we're breaking down again, man? Oh my god. That's it, Zach. That's it. Miguel, thanks for all your support, man. Miguel Lopez, the Jesus man. It's true. King Logan asks a good question, Zach. Are you on the side of being killed or killing? Sorry about that, poker threat. My bad, man. Not many people broadcast when things are difficult, man. We were born in it. We thrive in it. We love it. I mean, we don't love it. We hate when people make, you know, where they lose money, of course. But we know going live, we can at least talk about the measure moves, the TA being respected so well, right? People need TA in the bad times. That's crazy. There's some people from Alabama complaining to the Attorney General. It's crazy, man. The wife is from Huntsville. Tell her, Alabama power, man. Roll Tide Coin says Stacking Stoner. That's right, man. What's up with this song? How is this on the best, man? Get it out of here. Jeez. Cheers to music you like, man. Well, I'm glad you like it, and I'm glad you're part of our team. So you keep coming back. I'll keep coming back. We'll just keep growing together. Is that a deal? Not cynical, but pragmatic. Well, look, you got to be skeptical. Skeptical is a good word, too, for, I think, maybe the way I am. Because, you know, I am cynical. Because why would I not be cynical in a market where I'm not able to look at any kind of black box from these coins? Why would I put my hard-earned money that I work my butt off for into these coins that they can't show me revenue they make? What's the point? Poker Throat's in Mississippi. Oh boy, hotty toddy. Gosh almighty. I don't think so, man. Y'all are in some serious trouble with the NCAA, dude. What was Hugh Freeze doing, man? He ruined y'all's program. Who's that? Who's Keith Ralph this time, King Logan? Somebody give me a story. Give me a history lesson. $5.04, the Jesus man. Thanks, dude. Means everything. C&D, scrub coin. Sorry, syndicator. Now, really cool concept that would be worth looking at in the future when they get a little bit more, you know, developed. Using AI and trading and world events and news and all this stuff. Different algorithms. Seems really complicated and really cool, but you know, again, it's until it starts making profit and monetizing, it's going to be suspect to getting wrecked on the charts at all times because it has nothing to fall back on. It doesn't have stellar earnings to fall back on. It's just, oh, it's nothing burger, so it can dump as far as it wants to. Whatever. Well, rip Paul, Stuart. Rip Paul. Hey, Oprah Winfrey. Vote for King Logan Winfrey. Dude, man, $8.88 doesn't hold a flame to the words you just spoke, man. So, yeah, man, that makes my night. So, if that's what you see in me, I really do appreciate that. I'm just being myself. So, nothing fake about me. You know, I come on the stream sometimes and I feel like crap, but I persevere and I hit that go live button. And I try not to miss a show. Sometimes I will just miss it if I go way too hard, too fast, like 7-hour stream into a 5-hour stream, and then a 4-hour stream before the 7-hour stream. So, thanks, King Logan, man. It means everything, and I'm just gonna keep trying to be myself. All right. And thanks, dude. You did Jesus, man. Is TRX on the list? Yes, it sure is. Sure is. Believe it or not. It's just been funny. We've had a bunch of cameos tonight on the contribution list, so we just haven't been able to get through many coins that were requested before the contribution. The contributions always have to go to the front of the line. It's just kind of how it works, right? It wouldn't be fair either way. So, if we didn't put it at the front of the line. You get a car. You get a car. What happened? What are you talking about? If Oprah just did that, you're Nick freaking Saban, Stewart. Oh yeah, man. Hey, what's up, Coach Saban? Cheers, Billy. Cheers, Billy, man. What's up, Derek, man? Pablo, look on the 8s, yes sir. Thoughts on Storm, Susie Q. Storm's terrible. Storm is terrible. Sorry, I was just my restream reset. I had to run all the way back up. You get a Yugo. You get a Yugo. What is this? What are y'all talking about? I know the bees meme, right? We all get memes and bees. Okay, so Keith Relf was a harmonica player for the Yardbirds. Interesting. Well, thanks so much, Keith Relf, for the harmonica, $5. The Jesus man. We done bleeding yet, Mike D? Probably not. And if we are, it would be probably only temporarily, right? We'd be putting a band-aid on a gash. We need a serious stitching. What's the trash can coin of the night, Voltaire? ZEC, because it hit the measure move like the Jesus man. Everybody gets a bankruptcy, man. We did it, man. Hey, it's just zero, dude. Man, thanks so much for the 506 bits. Interesting. Thanks, dude. You the Jesus man. That's 1,506 bits on the evening. You the Jesus man. Seriously. Glad you're here, man. And thank you so much for the support already. It means everything. Truly. Because I can't do this stuff without y'all. Okay? I'm very, very grateful. Voltaire. What Jeff says. Tron Connect. That's every night. I guess, yeah, we hadn't looked at it yet. And it fell hard, too. Tron got wrecked, man. It's still within the upward sloping channel, though, so you're still kind of safe. Your overall trend that you're in, the intermediate trend, is safe for now. Oh, they turned into Led Zeppelin. Zeppelin or Zeppelin? There it is. We have Nick Saban and Oprah Winfrey in the house. Cheers to y'all. We have a celebrity camo. The Jesus peoples. Thanks, King Logan, man. Again, dude. You are wonderful. No, he knows it's a way to, you know, you don't want to get in a nuclear war. We have nuclear powers in the house. Everyone gets a car, Scaro. Everyone. Where are the Kappas? If you're in Twitch, we need Monka S. We need Kappas. We need Poggers. Too many Jesus coins today, Arcade? Excuse me? Inverse Jesus coins. Ultron is for trading. All these coins are for trading except BNB for the most part. There it is. Brendan Crypto Mine bringing in all the kappas. Love it, man. John Marco says, crypto's about to boom soon. No one worry, just buy and hold. There's going to be a big shoot up. Oh yeah, we have the lulls too, Scarrow. Oh my god, man. The golden, is that C3PO lull guy? Alright, so with the Bitcoin, okay, if you're just tuning in, very well established downward sloping channel, just a bearish trend. We had all kinds of measured moves, all kinds of beautiful TA going on in this downward sloping trend, and we are fast approaching an upward sloping trend line that converges with a downward sloping trend line that gives us an overall very large symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, 3 reaction highs up here, 2 reaction or kind of multiple reaction lows down here. I thought maybe we would just kind of crap around for a while, but we've just been, it's fine. Like I just, before all this pattern development stuff happened, I just thought maybe we'd just, the selling would be, I guess our flags would be more developed. When we broke down, we'd get more flag development and just kind of float along. But we're seriously tanking hard. We've been doing that on some decent volume here and there. Okay, so let's see if we can hit it. Got like 6,900, but we said from this bear pole, bear flag, whatever move, measure move could be 6,300. So, and honestly, if it's a pennant, what would a measure move of this pennant be if this truly was just a pennant? $480 from the break. 480. So we're not even at the measure move if it was just a pennant. 480 puts us right around that area, that upward sloping trend line. That would be a critical support. Very interested to see how that holds. So we have 3 out. We've only been, this 4-hour candle's only been around for 15 minutes now. So we got a lot of time to figure out what's going to happen next. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Nice. 4-hour candle closed. Bullish engulfing candle. Almost a Maro Bazoo. Not quite, though. Just almost, man. Towards the end. But we'll see how high we retrace, right? From a swing high to swing low. We haven't even retraced 38% of the way. So, again, the 382, the 50%, and the 618. All 3 of these areas could be common retracements before breaking to lower prices. Okay? No big deal. You got a little exhausted. It happens. Downward sloping flag crap after a huge red candle. Okay, so very, very far away from the 20 and the 50. You just had a death cross. We're talking literally like 4 hours ago. You just had a death cross. I mean, technically, this 4-hour candle close gave us the death cross. So you're seeing it here first on Hyped on Crypto Live. Here we are. Death cross on Ethereum to Bitcoin. Haven't seen a death cross on this in a very long time. We had a golden cross back on the 16th of April, and now it's over. Changing it up with a death cross. The trend reversed. This is what happens when you fall out of 7-week-long trends. Look when you break the trend line. Devastated. Alright, we're not even done. I don't think. Don't think we're done. Okay, it's Ethereum. Let's go to Ripple. Knock it out. Oh no, man. I feel naked. Okay. Feel better now. Alright, Mort Downey. Who is that? Some guy. Sounds like he made paper towels or something. Cool stuff, man. $5.05 from King Logan, I believe. I do declare. Alright, man. Dude, we'll put BNB, Bed and Breakfast Coin, on the list. Cheers, man. You the Jesus, man. So with Ripple, real quick, we've already looked at this, but we did look on the 8th, so all kinds of bullish divergence on the daily, the 4-hour, all over the place. Downward sloping channel, all we did was hit the bottom of the downward sloping channel, and that area was confluent looking left. Previous candle body high close. Okay, pretty close to candle body low closes too, right? So, and then nothing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So we have a proxy war going on. It seems. It seems. Hey, dude. Coach Probst. Jeff. Emily. Y'all are the freaking Jesus people. Thanks so much. That is, 45. No. Nay. 55 on the evening. Thanks so much, Jesus, man. Means everything. And King Logan, you're all over the place. I don't even know, man. But it's close-ish, but I think King Logan maybe has the edge. I think. Cheers, y'all both are amazing. Freaking love y'all. He had a talk show, yelled at people all the time in the early 90s and 80s. Mort Downey Jr. Yeah, was he fun? Stuff it? That was a slogan, stuff it. Waiting to see it, John. Ready to see those consistent higher highs, higher lows, contrasting consolidation. Can't wait, John. Can't freaking wait, man. Probably not, Stanny. Probably freaking not. I don't know, Drew. I mean, Ethereum about to blow up and shorts, or squeeze the shorts. I think we got a lot more FOMO to go.
Ellen DeGeneres tipped $8.88. You are the geesus. Sorry I had to pump Ripple on my show. You were my first choice, but producer Probst went with that damn Ashton Kutcher.
Yeah, and what did they do? They donated a lot of Ripple, a lot of money to Ripple or something weird. I don't even know what they did. Somebody give me a backing on that. It's kind of weird. But Ellen DeGeneres, the Jesus person, thank you so much for the $8.88, King Logan, the Jesus man. Yeah, I think you're in the lead. I'll just go ahead, just so Coach Probst at least knows, I guess, what we're working with here. Give me 2 seconds. Mort Downey Jr. Stuff it. Almost done. Alright, just hang tight. Got a bunch of celeb cameos to add. That is... We got it. Okay, King Logan's at 75.63. Coach Probst, just so you know at least. He can't hide anymore behind his allies. His celebrity allies. Okay, man? Jeff. So, there you go, man. Kim Jong Probst in the house. Whew. So this Ripple, Death Cross on the 13th. Yeah, Ellen DeGeneres pumped it up, didn't she? She did such a wonderful job. Congratulations, Ashton Kutcher, Ellen DeGeneres. Congratulations. It worked so well, didn't it? Eventually you should make moves to the upside, just based on the fact that you got bullish divergence on the daily, the 4 hour, in multiple areas all over the place. You got it on your RSI, impending price action reversal everywhere, okay? So just know a pop could be coming soon, but you don't fight the trend. This channel represents the trend we're in right now, okay?
McAdams tipped $5. Come to Vegas for my birthday, brother. June 14th. Party stream from Sin City.
Hey man, I gotta get a good laptop. I don't have the equipment to travel yet. Soon. We haven't really had a reason to do much traveling. My goal kind of was to figure out, getting a really nice laptop and all that, so I could go find a way to interview Thomas Bulkowski. That's my dream. I want to go there and interview that guy in his town, wherever it is. And yeah, just who would not like that, right? Getting Thomas Bulkowski on camera and asking him all kinds of crazy TA questions, that'd be nuts, man. So that was the goal about getting a laptop, you know, just so I can go and travel and do awesome interviews of really, really famous TAs and stuff. So, dude, Nick Adams, man, thanks so much for the $5. The Jesus, man. Sin City, I've never been there. I heard it's lit. I'm sure it's much crazier than this old Alabama where I'm at, man. It's very quiet here. Very, very quiet. Too quiet. I'm losing my mind in the suburbs. So, anyway, that's Ripple, Get Ripped. C&D was next to mine. Right angled ascending broadening formation. You broke out of it bearishly. So yeah, waiting to see when the bottom comes in here, but I don't think we're done at all. All right, you're approaching a critical area of support down here, the 764. You're 20 sats off. I don't know why you wouldn't come to that. So yes, bullish divergence, I get it. Triple MACD bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Got it. Doesn't mean you're not going to stop making lower prices. Whew. Probably could draw a channel at this point, right? There you go, man. Just more scope of vision. It's all about vision with TA. Being able to see what's kind of going on, how the market's playing it, how the algos are looking at this. I think they're probably just looking at it like that. So the right-angled ascending broadening formation is inherently bearish. So, but when you can find the bottom, evidently these things can run up like 50%. They can have, like, when the trend reverses, we're going to keep our eye on C&D. When that trend does reverse, man, we could have a very large move to the upside. We're going to get through chat real quick. Sorry, I was just getting through some coins, okay?
Ken John Probst tipped $59.58. Short this new Grogan. It's gonna dump on your head.
Hey, Coach Probes. Jeff Grau, man, dude, dude, that 59.58 clutch, dude. That's like my favorite contribution right there, man. You know, it's just because it's both our numbers, man. The Jesus peoples, dude. We did it. Yeah, man. That's that puts you at 114.58 tonight, dude. Jeez, Jeff. Just dropping the bomb like King Logan, just like taken aback, like, what? How could I ever do that, man? Alright, so we know who the top Jesus is of the evening so far, and that's Jeff. Or that's Coach Probst, excuse me, he likes his aliases. The Probst family. Alright, so C&D, wait till we start making consistent higher highs, higher lows. What do you have to do? You gotta break old levels, old candle body high closes. Look left, right here, 858. What's after that? 933. What's after that? 986. Okay, so it's not good though. It's really, really bad what you're doing. Okay, if you fall below 764, what do you have as a support if you fall below 764?
$36.66. Put this towards your G5 Jet, my man. Now, can you play me some blues, please? The plumber rudely interrupted my viewing pleasure. Has Ian J been covered yet?
No. We can, it's on the list though now. Look at it right after a bed and breakfast coin. And that's right after C&D. So, hey, Les Grossman, is that...
Wild Stallions tipped $5.08. XL and please.
Is that King Logan, man? Wild Stallions, man? I don't even know. It seems like it. I'm all sketched out now. I don't even know who's who anymore. It all seems like a wild dream, like Wild Stallion dream. $5.08. Yeah, that's got to be King Logan. Okay, adding that, so that's like 80 or something. All right. If you want it, you got it, man. You freaking got it. Okay, there's your blues, my friend.
Nick Adams tipped $5. Time for a beer?
Oh man, just been trying to take it easy these past couple days. Went pretty freaking hard this weekend.
Demi Moore tipped $2.88. You are right, Stuart H. I am not a scholar, but without a high school diploma or college degree, I became the highest paid actress in film history for my role in Striptease.
Hey, when you can strip, right? Nick Adams, dude, thanks so much for the $5 contribution, man. I'm just resetting my RSI, my oscillators, right, on the alcohol. You know, don't want to be doing anything too crazy, too long, you know. Man, I was like literally neglecting the crap out of my body, you know, before the weekend even, right? Like Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday. Maybe Sunday? No, not Sunday. Just was drinking and streaming for like 12 hours in a day, and then like more than that, kind of. I don't even remember anymore how it went, but yeah, just kind of resetting. But I'll be back to the drinking. I'll be back soon enough. I probably would, since you said that, but I literally am embarrassed. I don't have any alcohol at my house right now, so yeah, dude. Rain check. I'll get you that beer tomorrow night. I'll go pick up some tomorrow for sure, man. The Jesus man. And Demi Moore, I don't even know what to say. You produce more money, and you know what? You got more revenue than any other actor. You got wrecked by King Logan and everyone else tonight. Demi, Kappa. Thanks so much. I think that was Logan. Maybe. We'll see. Anyway, just getting through chat now, alright? Jeff Probst hosted the show Survivor. Oh yeah? Nuh-uh. No, mini Kappas. Mini Kappas. See, no one can use Kappa in YouTube. That's the problem. You can't use the Kappa emote. That's right, Voltaire. Zillions. Literally zillions, man. Hey, it's S. It's Sprint. The ticker Sprint is in the house. AI. XRP to Bitcoin. Hold on. Shoot, man. A little behind. I'll put it on the list. Okay, it's on the list. S. Oh, they get a tax break. What a joke, man. Oh my god. Oh, wow, Brandon, that's a scary Kappa right there, man. 2 likes away from 100 likes? Heck yeah, man. That's awesome. I don't know. This thing doesn't tell me how many likes we have, this restream chat, so... Ashton has a 170 IQ but married Demi Moore. GG no re. Sorry, I'm so behind, I guess. Yeah, I'm very behind. Cheers, Blank Man. Save me, Blank Man. Save me, man. Oh, Wild Stallions. That's right. Oh my god, man. Now I remember. Kind of remember. I haven't seen that movie in so freaking long, but it was a good one. The Time Machine movie, man. Brandon Crypto coming in with Bob Ross Kappas. Love it. Freaking love it. What's going to happen today, Jonathan Martinez? What's going to happen today, indeed?
Nick Adams took $10. Pick up some Racer 5 of them. Good stuff. 6-pack on me.
Hey, Nick Adams, dude. Racer 6 IPA. I'll go down to there's this place called Hop City downtown, and I'm hoping that it's got it. And if it does, I will buy that, man. I will buy that, dude. Thank you so much for that $10 contribution. That's $20 on the night, Nick. Thanks so much, Jesus, man. Means everything. Seriously. I'm just getting a song on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. Racer IPA. Racer 6 IPA. Okay. I got it. Who doesn't love the blues? We did it. We made 100 likes. Rufus. That's right, Voltaire. Rufus, the older guy, right? Wasn't that Carlin or whatever? If I remember it correctly. Racer is good. S. Adolphe, good. Excellent. All right, awesome. We have many people that like Racer. Where is it from? Will I be able to get it? Racer 5. My bad, dude. Why Racer 6? Am I crazy? Dash at the bottom? Maybe, Nick Tun. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Check out Banca. Does it have a ticker, Gino? And if it does, is it on TradingView? And if it doesn't, you're screwed. J-Snip. J-Snip is quiet. I don't know what's going on. Hey, Army Rob, 22. There are 22 Army Robs. Thanks so much for the follow on Twitch, the Jesus Man. If you're in the Army, thanks for your service. If you're not, fake news. Late night crypto? What happened, man? Is it late night crypto? Truly? This is, we're not even overtime yet, man. Should I go overtime? I mean, we've got 26 minutes or so till overtime. Just not know, man. I just don't know. Okay, so let's go to Bed and Breakfast Coin. That was the next contribution that was requested. Did we want? Yeah, BNB to Bitcoin, right? Still just making a lower high than a previous high. So that means we just, man, not getting anything done, right? We broke out, right? But we just, you know, we have all these here. We have a bunch of different candle body close areas. Looking left. Okay, way left and just left, okay? So forgive that. They're all being used as support, okay? So I don't know if we can readjust again. Looks like we can, somewhat. Doesn't look that good, right? Maybe just have we're at the end of a triangle, maybe? Hey, Sam Crow in the house. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube, the Jesus Man. Welcome to the team. Glad you're here, dude. Glad you're freaking here. That looks pretty good to me, man. Right there. Okay. Okay, just price contraction, okay? We have price contraction going on. We have 3 reaction, well, really 4 reaction lows, pretty much. I mean, it's just more like 1, 2 with a double bottom, 3. And then we have 1, 2, right? So it might be a little loud. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, sorry. So I think we just have that going on. No, you have this crap up here. That's insane. That is insane. This is more normalized, right? When you try to use wicks up here, nothing really makes sense. Doesn't make that much sense. Now, I don't know, man. I just like this, my vision. I can see what's going on here, and I know if we break this area, we can make a measure move up. Okay, so. But yeah, every single one of these areas is, it makes sense, right? So the 18,853, that's your all-time high candle body close area. Then, you know, below that, these are just areas of support and resistance, okay? And so we just wicked off one. You can see right here. Look left. We've got wicks right here, right? So we'll see. You're below the 20 and the 50, but way above the 200. Had a golden cross on the 18th of this month. Awesome. Very, very good to see. But I know we broke down like this, but the initial move was up. So this could be possibly bullish consolidation before breaking the upside again. I'd like to see it. Truly would. Okay, man. Okay. So that's your BNB, man. BNB to Bitcoin. Still okay. Still alive. Ingecoin. I think that was for maybe less Grossman, or I can't remember anymore. All the aliases. My God, man. My God. Look what happens when you break your trend, ladies and gentlemen. You get absolutely obliterated. Okay, man. But Mama said we was gonna be kings. Well, Mama was wrong again. Alright? So gross, man. So freaking gross. Whew. Okay, just had a sim triangle or whatever, you know, pin it. It looks a little closer to a sim triangle, whatever. You can do the measure move here. What was that? 156 sats from the breakout. 156. Oh, would you look at that? 156 measure move. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's literally the measure move. Are you kidding me? David Starsky. It's like talking about Starsky and Hutch, man. David Starsky and Hutch, man. Thanks so much for the Starsky and Hutch. So, you know, we got Kim Jong probes dropping nukes, and then we've got carpet bombs from David Starsky and Peoples and Company, right? Something like that. Something. $4.99. We have a sale on Starskys. What more do you want? Ladies and gentlemen, measure moves hit. Let's wait for pattern development. Oh my God, TA like the Jesus man. You know, the problem is people don't ask for the analysis until this. It's like, what do you want? Yeah, mild form of bullish divergence. Congratulations. Congratulations. Hold on a sec, alright? Hold the frickin' phone. Man, it's gonna be like nasty weather tomorrow for me. Like, super gross. Super duper gross. Okay. Again. Ingecoin's little sim triangle pennant crap hit the measure move like the Jesus man. We don't have a candle body close below it. Okay, let's see what develops from this. I would say that what's your swing high? Hard to say. Bunch of mini swing highs. Ton of them. God. I would say break up the upside. This is probably the swing high. If this is the swing low, in fact. If this is. We may not even be done here, okay? Bitcoin dump, see ya. You're going much lower. But for now, maybe. So this is speculative. Oh my God, you're speculating, Ray? What? Well, it's like, what else can we do? You want me to analyze it? We're saying speculatively, if this was the bottom, if this truly was the swing low, retracements, we haven't even touched the 236. And we know our common areas, the 382, the 50%, the 618. So, you know, if this was it, we could move to much higher prices before breaking down to lower prices. Okay, we have a very mild form of bullish divergence, Class A. Pending price action reversal, but we don't know. We just don't know yet. Disgusting on the RSI. The weakest area, the weakest RSI we've literally ever seen, ladies and gentlemen. We have records 21 on the RSI. She's called the RWI, the Relative Weakness Index, and just the Jesus of that. That's for sure. Oh my God. Let me get through chat real quick. Gotta keep it balanced. Yeah, I guess so, Jeff. The S coin of the evening. But hey, I love the measured move. Do you not? Just reading chat. A lot of reaction, a lot of response to the inch coin fiasco. What about Zill? Have we looked at that? Nah, we've not looked at Zill. It wasn't even on the list till right now. So there you go, Stuart, man. Y'all know too many people, man. I don't know enough freaking people, man, at all. What's up, Wrench Gang in the house? The Jesus man. I don't know. Russell Scott, man. I miss him, dude. I miss the man. That's right. Wrench Gang's in the house. Any thoughts on PBT, Sam? I don't know, man. We looked at it earlier. I think maybe yesterday or something. No one requested it today. Yeah, they did request it today. We did look at it today. I think it was a scrub coin, like all the others. The Beanie Babies everywhere. There's only a few coins that don't look completely pathetic right now. PBT is just one of them. What happened with ENJ? Literally what happened with everything else. No intrinsic value and broke down. Because it has no revenue to fall back on. That's right, Stuart. It is an effective presentation tool. Is TRX next? I mean, I guess we can do TRX. We just have this constant stream of contributions that are getting coin requests, right? So it's like they keep jumping to the front of the line. How about Power Dubai Review? I think it became a scrub coin too in the end. Well, we can put it on the list. Welcome, Dubai Review, man. Glad you're here. Thanks, Fernando. Corona, man. We have great support in here. Great viewers. The best viewers. Y'all are all the Jesus peoples, okay? So thank y'all. So ENJ, measure move, wait for pattern development, see what happens next. We don't even know if this is for real yet. If this is the true swing low. Alright? But I mean, I guess we could do Tron Connect just real quick, because who doesn't want Tron Connect? Gotta get high on Tron. Oh my god, man. Thanks, man. I can now breathe again. What happened with Tron Connect? Well, severe breakdown. It all started with a higher high, a tweezer double top. The tweezer double top that we discussed before the nasty breakdown. We also said bearish divergence. What'd we do? Well, it just so happens we made our lowest level of strength, relative strength, that we'd seen since back on the 18th of March, ladies and gentlemen. Short-term records. That's real bad. Real bad. Alright, so we're talking, we hadn't seen a level of RSI that weak since back here when we made our lowest low, the nadir level. Okay. So making very close to 4-hour session lows. Right now we are. Right. So we think maybe a good area value could be here, but
transactions will be reversed to sender. To speak with a representative, call toll-free 1-800-BENITOS.
wow. What in the world was that? PayPal fraud department. Well, thanks so much for tuning in, PayPal. Whatever, fraud department. What was that? I can't even. It was like 388 or something weird. Oh my god. Coach Probes, do you have anything to say to that, man? We got some libel. No, I guess it's. Is it slander? Or is it defamation? Libel, slander, defamation. One of them. We have that. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe Coach Probst, the PayPal fraud department's right, dude. Maybe they're right. 1-800-BENITOS. Oh my god. Ridiculous. Thanks, PayPal fraud department, Coach Logan. XLM. We've got a lot of coins, Fernando. I'm working my butt off, man. Working so friggin' hard to get all these coins, dude. It's a lot. And I did a lot of coins today. Libel is written. Then it's freaking libel, but it's also phonetic. So it's written and it's also said at the same time. So it's double wreckage, double ponage. So it was both. So we had slander and defamation. Defamation, right, Stuart? Oh my god. Coach Probst, he did it, man. Coach Probst literally made PayPal. Did you not know PayPal fraud department? What are you doing, man? Dude, Jeff, man. I don't even know what I'm writing anymore. I'm just writing. I just said Coach PayPal Probst on my ledger. Whatever this piece of paper, okay? Coach PayPal Probst. Good to see you, man. Thanks for the $25 contribution to Jesus, man. What does that put you at? I think you're winning. You're still winning. Yeah, you're still winning. You're at 140 or 139.58 to be exact, dude. Larry Bird, Larry Legend. $4.01, man. Alright, dude. Alright, what was that? Storm. Storm on the list. Okay. Take a look. Why does my flag keep coming off? Oh my goodness. I need my freedom, man. Okay. Tronics, Tron Connect, Tron, Incash, Star Wars Worlds. We're approaching the upward sloping support that extends back to multiple touches, and it all began on the 18th of March. 505 Patreon entry. Okay, you break this, you're in some serious trouble. You are now below the 200, pretty much confirmably for the first time, really, since we made our lowest low. Okay, we broke above the 200, so we have a lot of development. Okay, this is like a tornado, bearish tornado watch for Tronics. Well, bearish tornado warning, really, and we have more tornadoes possibly coming if things don't turn around real quick for us. Okay, we had some decent amount of volume on the selling off too, so just keep your eye on Tronics. I know you will. Oh, are you high on Tron now? You got your fix, man? Okay. There was I just had to do that, man. Had to look at it. ZRX. Let's look at ZRX. That was a contribution request from like Wild Stallion, Skarsky, and PayPal fraud. Whoa, man, bounced. But this bounce could be a partial rise before breaking to lower prices. Be very careful here. The news pumped and we dumped. Completely erased all your gains. We fell out of that channel. What was that channel? Well, just so happens it looks like Tronics, right? The 18th of March. Fell out of it once, fell out of it twice. We're back into it for the second time. Best of luck to you, ZRX. Definitely best of luck.
You gotta teach me how to use that thing.
Who doesn't see a freaking diamond, right? Crazy freaking diamond here. Shine on, you crazy diamonds, alright? Well, anyway, it doesn't matter if you make a lower high than your previous high, you're screwed. Guess what's happening? Literally, as you're breathing, as your eyeballs are watching this stream, we are pretty much committing a death cross. In the next 4-hour candle, whether it doesn't matter what price you make, doesn't matter at all, you will in fact have a death cross.
Lots of places you go around.
I think the music is quite apropos.
Some guy said, well, we're gonna play some blues.
You had bearish convergence pretty much. Look, you made a low on price, a lower low on price with higher levels of negative momentum. Not good. 43 on the RSI, kind of neutral, but very close to being bearish. Okay. So that's it, man. That's it. Let's see how it plays out. Will we make a lower high? Probably, and make lower prices. This run might very well be over, but you're holding on. You're holding on by a thread. Something we could do, we could probably make an adjustment at this point with this. Like that, at this point. Let's see how that works. Okay, so could just have it like that. As you can see here, we had no candle body close above the heart line. I like that. I like the respect here where we just couldn't break above the heart line. I like that a lot on these two spots. But you know, you have to make adjustments at some point. Okay, so this looks decent. Okay, so ZRX still alive, but not by much. You're barely breathing. Okay. Let's get a storm, stormy scrub coin. But this was going to be the Beanie Baby to rule them all. Storm. Oh no, just in a disgusting bear trend. Disgusting bear trend. All right. That's right. It's way on the outskirts of town. Bullish divergence again. Who cares? Just keep making lower prices, approaching critical areas of support. We already plotted that, of course. 394 sats and 383 sats.
Thanks for the Trump fix. Scratches neck.
Hey, anytime, Nick Adams, man. Dude, heck yeah, man. That puts you at $25 on the night. Thank you so much for all the contributions. It's been wonderful, and I really do appreciate it. And I can't wait to... If Racer 5 IPA's in Birmingham, man, I'm going to find it, okay? I will be making calls. Okay, dude? So thank you so much, Nick, man, for all the support. Not only the you know, obviously the cash is nice, but dude, your kind words and you just being here viewing means everything. So thank you, man. So what do you even want to talk about, Storm? What do you even freaking want to talk about? So we have a bunch of crap back here. Analyzed it. Okay, so you're pretty much almost at a 100% retracement if you did the swing low here. Swing low to swing high, it's like 95% retrace. So I don't know why we would not hit 394 or 383. I just don't know why. You're well on your way. Pending price action reversal though on your oscillators. Probably just going to make a lower high than your previous high. Jason Koch. And that's how you say the Koch brothers, right? Coach. It's not Coach, it's Koch. And they spell it like that, so it's Jason Koch, or maybe your Coach. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube, The Real Jesus Man. Welcome to the team. So what? Death Cross on Storm on the 12th. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Approaching critical areas of support. That's it. Bearish Hurricane. Bearish Hurricane. This music makes plenty of sense for this coin and what it's doing, alright? Don't get wrecked. Know the trend you're in. Don't go against the trend. Do not trade against the trend. Trade into bull markets. Don't trade into bear markets unless you're shorting. If you're shorting, hey, by all means, that's when you short. But you do not short in bull trends and you do not buy in bear trends, ladies and gentlemen. There's your storm. XVG. I think we already looked at it, didn't we? Yeah, I think we looked at this. Oh yeah, you're below the trend line, extends all the way to December of 2017, right before the great FOMO of our time, ladies and gentlemen. This coin's in trouble too, but it makes sense. It's just a beanie baby. It's like them all. Great, we already looked at it, I think, at this point. In cash? Oh my god, why am I even looking at some of these coins? Swing high to swing low. Retrace 38% of the way, broke down to the lower prices. There you go. Fibonacci is the Jesus man. Making lower lows, your lowest lows since the 11th of March. Alright? Broke this area of support. You broke it. You're scrub. But no, in cash, man. They're going to change the world. Seriously. They're going to do it, man. Yeah, okay. No, they're not. Not right now. Not right freaking now, they're not. Definitely not on the chart. Broke out of a huge sim triangle, right? This sim triangle was so large, the measure move was 296 sats. Look, from here to here on the breakout, 296. We're almost there. TA has almost been completely respected. What do you even want? What do you even freaking want? Just our channel a little bit? Perfect, man. Freaking perfect. There's literally nothing more to talk about besides this thing's about to fulfill the destiny of the TA with the sim triangle breakdown. Satisfied? I don't know, man. No, I'm not satisfied. I'm left wanting because this coin sucks. Crazy bullish divergence. Like, you can barely even see this little nub acti histogram. So, yeah, impending price action reversal, duh, of course, yeah, make a move to the upside, contest the 50 MA, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. This coin is dead, dead coin, no volume, really. The only time he made some volume was selling off. Hey, Nick, man, so I do flirt on the lines of breaking copyright, man, but, I don't like going too far into the void. But, dude, it sucks, man. Like, I found out about that whole program thing, the whole, the app, the $15 a month thing. It's all just a bunch of generic crap, man. It sucks, dude. It freaking sucks. So, like, I don't even know what to do about that. Because I like playing live sessions of Stevie Ray Vaughan and Albert King over generic crap. And Leonard Skinner, man, I know that's gonna be like, you know, I'll get swatted, and it won't be because someone calls in. It'll be because I played Leonard Skinner and Metallica together or whatever. But dude, seriously, Nick, thanks so much, man. That's $30 on the night, man. That's freaking amazing, dude. Really appreciate all the support, Nick. You're the Jesus, man. Seriously. MVP, man. Scroll through chat real quick. Low risk, high rewards on mini coins right now. Pablo, no, not really, because everything's in a downtrend. Bitcoin's in a downtrend. They're just, man, you're catching a falling knife buying some of these coins. You gotta wait for trend reversals. You gotta wait for higher lows. We're not getting higher lows on anything right now. Everything's lower lows. Like our most previous lows on like all these coins are the lowest lows of the correction of the move down. Anything beyond that is catching a falling knife. If things shoot up after they've made their lowest low, you still don't want to trade that. Oh man, but I missed out, dude. What are you doing, right? Like, what do you want from me, man? We trade trends. We don't trade stupid pumpy dumpies, okay? If you can't short it, you don't buy it. Don't buy it just cuz, man. Well, cheers to you, Urban Philosophy, man. Hope things get better for you, man. Every day, one day at a time, right? Billy has 18 bowling balls in his trunk. It's flat in Oklahoma, right? You could just go bowling anywhere in Oklahoma. Capo. Cheers, David Wesley, man. Well, thank you so much for the support, man. It means everything. And I couldn't do anything without y'all. Y'all are freaking amazing. And y'all are all changing my life. Okay? So, really do appreciate you, David, man. Cheers, 305 BMX, man. Appreciate that, man. I don't, that's not really my goal. My goal is just really protecting people's capital during these disgusting, crappy, unregulated markets. Intrash was supposed to take over the world, Urban Philosophy. It was gonna be kings. No, Ricky, you to Jesus, man. Stop talking about yourself, dude. Oh dang, Billy. Bowling the Senior Masters next week in Vegas, man. Better tear it up, dude. Better let us know how it goes. Almost done with chat, okay? Oh, actually, Gush. Gosh, Gush. What does Gush mean? Thinking about Burst Coin. Gross. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm late again. I'm sorry. It's time for your local on the 8s. Currently, Bitcoin is 71.21 degrees with a dew point of bouncing off the 71.28 horizontal line, using it as a resistance again. Mini kappas, but not really any kappa at all. Get it? So, I know you do. That 71.28 mark, whatever, look left, what is it? You know what it is. It's your previous candle body close way back on the 9th of April. Holding on by well, not really holding on. You're trying to hold on, but you keep slipping off the cliff, right? You're hooking off of it, using it as a resistance. Bad to see, not what you want. I think, yeah, we've got some levels we bounced off of. We bounced off that 7,091 area, bounced off the 7,100 area. I don't know if we bounced off the 7,069 area yet, but those are all miniature support areas. Okay, we've got going on. So you've got some chop that'll protect you for a little bit. If you get any kind of volume, you're screwed.
Nick Adams tipped $5. Copyright haters gonna hate. All good Stevie is my blues brother.
Hey, Nick Adams, man, dude, coming in. $5 again. That's 35 on the evening. The Jesus, man. Yeah, dude. But I get it, though. Copyright. I get it all, man. I think it's just we have to just be careful about it. But I'm not careful enough, and I know we had issues with way more severe stuff with like CBS. So they're not our friends at all. Not our friends at all. You want to see a fantastic looking Rising 3 Methods right there? That's beautiful, is it not? Just beautiful, man. Anyway, sorry, digress. I digress. Okay, hooking off this area that was once a support, now resistance. Okay, this is a zone, support zone. As you can see, bounced off this, hooking off that. Now you're just sandwiched. Gross.
Snagger tipped $2.88. I'm back. Can you check out mine? I've been pumping it for decades.
Hey Arnold, get to the chopper, man. Get to the chopper. To Arnold Schwarzenegger. I don't even know how to spell his name. I'm just writing letters. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Thanks for the $2.88, man. You Googled that, man. Did you really know how to spell it? Like, with your eyes closed, you could spell it? If so, I'm impressed, man. You must have learned it at some point in your life, right? Thanks, I think, King Logan, maybe. Maybe, man. Keeping the war cold. I get it, King Logan. I get it, man. You don't want to go toe-to-toe with Coach Probst. Kim Jong Probst. He'll get you, man. He'll freaking get you. Alright, that's Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what time it is. It is overtime. Jamming the tomb. I said Jan in the tombs. What I meant to say was jamming the tunes. Messed up the N's and the M's there. Clearly overtime. Clearly. Okay. No telling, man. So what I did was,
John Lennon took $4.07. I'm the Walrus Cigar as the admin.
oh my goodness. Hold on, Zero. John Lennon, a Beatleman. What about Yoko Ono? Is she not in the house, man? What happened? But yeah, the Weather Channel, man, we had this, I think I used it. They don't use that anymore. They use some other chime, so probably not, man. Probably not, but dude, seriously. Yeah. 888 bits, man. The Jesus, man. So what does that put you at on the night, Zero? Hold on. $23.94 bits, dude. You the Jesus, man. Thanks, Zero, dude. Means everything, man. Seriously. Cheers to you. Heck yeah, dude. You're local on the 8s, right? Yeah, man. They'll probably get me, dude. No, I'll tell them this. I'll tell them this though. They won't do anything to me, man. My uncle used to work at the Weather Channel for many years. Okay, so they won't do anything. I've been in the Weather Channel studio in Atlanta before as a kid. Stood in front of that green screen. In cash, that product line is terrible. It tells people behind the counter your girlfriend's bra size. What? Is this Kappa's? I'm saying buying on a lot of these coins is trying to catch a falling knife because you need to see consistent higher highs, higher lows. Okay, you need to see price contraction, ascending triangles, sim triangles, whatever, rounding action, whatever. You're not getting anything like that. You're just making lower lows, lower highs until you don't. Oh gosh, Lando, gross, man. Sounds like robot grossness, man. PRL Nicholas Holt is not on TradingView, unfortunately, man. Sorry, I can't do it. See Nick Adams? I know, is any relation to Brian? Every time I see Nick Adams' name, I'm like, Brian Adams, run to you, right? I keep seeing it, man.
Good luck spelling this. Shaq should have come to Duke.
Mike Krzyzewski, did the phonetics say it right? Dude? Mike Krzyzewski? Probst? Dude, you just didn't want the deeper Jesus chimes, man? You had 1 cent, right? You could have done it. Oh, that puts you at... Dang it, man. Oh, 159.57. Jeez, man, you the Jesus, man. Seriously. No one's got that tonight, dude. King Logan's keeping the war cold. That's okay, man. Y'all are freaking amazing, and I can't believe how amazing y'all are, okay? I keep saying the Jesus peoples, but y'all keep... Gosh, man. We have too much fun in here, okay? Too much freaking fun. Ethereum's breaking down, but we was gonna be kings. Was you gonna be kings, man? You was kings. You was 7-week kings, man. What do you even want? Leave it alone. My God. Such a good run. Let it break down. Let them eat cake. Inverse Jesus cake, okay? Let them break down. XRP, the US dollar. Okay, here you go. We've already talked about this twice tonight. Sim triangle, multi-sim triangles inside of a very large downward sloping channel. Measure move 53 cents and 49 cents, multiple measure moves. Don't get destroyed, but it's a little late for that. Don't catch a falling knife. Wait till we see consistent higher highs, higher lows. Okay? Oh freaking K. Look left. Area of support again. Previous candle body high closes. Alright, at 54 cents. Almost 55 cents, whatever. Right around there. So, bullish divergence everywhere. Literally freaking everywhere. Daily, 4 hour. It's whatever though. You're still making your lowest low of the correction. Completely, I mean, 100% have absolutely wiped out all your gains from the altcoin spring at this point. It is confirmed hitting these areas. So, congratulations on getting wrecked.
Nick Adams tipped $5 just using my grandpa's name. He was an old-time actor in the 50s.
Oh yeah, Nick Adams, man. Nick Adams is famous. That's geez, man. Is that 35 or 40? That's 40, man. You're at freaking 40 on the night, dude. Nick Adams. Thanks so much, dude. I might buy more than 1 6-pack. How about that? Is that fair? Would I be able to do that, man? Thanks again, dude. All that generosity, dude. It means everything. Seriously. Let me get another song on real quick, man. Just give me 2 seconds. We'll freaking get it. Okay, we are 14 minutes into overtime, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting lit in here. Getting freaking lit while Bitcoin breaks down. Let me see chat real quick. Gosh, my restream, man. That sucks. I hate that. I'm like reading chat and it's just like burp, takes me to the bottom. Why does it do that? Tyler Wood, 188. Did we not cover ADA? Sorry, man. Let's go ahead and just look at it real quick. Okay, man. It all started with a sim triangle, ascending triangle, whatever. Beautiful run. It all ended. When it ended, look what happened. When you break these trends, these upward sloping trends, see ya. Completely, at this point, pretty much wiped out all your altcoin spring gains like many others. This is why trading TA is very important. Right? Sim triangle, after a breakdown, it was a bearish continuation, symmetrical triangle. Broke down, bear pull, bear flag, broke down again. What did we do? Seemed like some sort of wedge pattern or something, right? Your touch points here, here, and here. Descending double bottoms here and there. And now we're having issues breaking out of a critical area of resistance, downward sloping resistance. Your first touch point extends to the highest high of the altcoin spring, touching here as well, and here. And now we're touching it again, wicking off of it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be telling. If we can't break to the upside soon, we shall invalidate this wedge, this downward sloping support in the very, very near future. Okay, breaking down to lower prices, okay, which we see all the time in downtrends. I think this has a lot to do with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin tanks, this is going with it. Cardano coin, American Dental Association coin. But as you can see, looking left, previous candle body high closes right there. Right there. We'll soon face them. We had a death cross. Oh, I keep saying death cross. Next time we all drink together, death cross will be the drinking word. 5/14, 14th of this month, just 2 weeks ago. But since the 2 weeks, we've lost substantial amounts of sats. We were at, what was it, when the death cross occurred? I think it was right here. Yeah, we were at 3140 sats when the death cross occurred, and now we're at 2500 sats since that death cross. Pretty bad. Yes, bullish divergence on both oscillators. I understand. I freaking understand. But just remember, though you have that, the trend is stronger. The trend rules all. Your bullish divergence could just play out to be a little crap out and then break into lower prices. Could crap out, break out of this downward sloping channel. Could break out of it, test the 50, wick off of it, and break to lower prices, lower lows. Okay, the trend is your friend. There's ADA. Hope that helps, Tyler. There you go, man. Just for you. Just checking out chat. No such thing as too much fun. Shoot, man. J-Man, everyone's worthy. What are you talking about? We are all on equal footing here, okay? This is not about one person. This is about all of us, J-Man. I am the same as you and all in this chat. The only difference is I just have a camera in front of my stupid face. J-Mon says he likes pie. Who doesn't like pie? Would I be mad? I mean, look, you're free to do whatever you want, J-Mon. There are plenty of YouTube channel. Hey, Raphael, thanks so much for the sub. You Jesus, man. Got any questions about TS in the chat, Discord, man? All right. You'd be surprised there are people that have already knocked off what I do, and they tried doing it almost identically to the way I do it. It's almost hilarious seeing other people attempt to do what I do, right? So you don't even have to do that. There are other people that are literally trying to do what I do. So you don't have to, man. You can. So undone sums wants ZCL. You want an S coin. Everyone wants S coins. They're everywhere. It's overtime. 2 hours and 20 minutes the stream's been going on. If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Anything on Apollo coin? Never heard of it in my life until right now. Probably isn't even on TradingView. Do you have a ticker for me? If you ever want a coin request, just tell me the ticker. I don't even care what the name of the coin is, because that name is a joke. Don't go down with the ship, J-Mon. Don't do it. Oh, Apollo 13 to the moon, says King Logan. I agree, no kappas. They're plotting against me, Jeff. Is this true, man? The robots are coming to Birmingham? Oh my god. Do my bullets, do they melt steel Landos? I don't think so, man. The bot's led by Lando. My God. Binary ham. Hey, like we wouldn't be Birminghamsters. I think that's what we're called. I think the hipsters like calling it Birminghamster. Ugh. Fancy Action likes turtles. Congratulations, we did it, man. Once I have mass viewers, all the meme TA will finally just be meme TA to the rest of the lost sheep. What do you mean, Brandon? What do you mean, man? Hey, Mr. World, I think we already looked at Nia, did we not? No, we didn't. Let's just go to Nia real quick for our friend. Sam Crow wants Very. We can look at Very, man. Just hang tight. Hang tight, man. The beatdown continues. We hit a support. Go figure. We said it in the day stream. We said I would be very, very surprised. I don't know why we have not hit it yet, but here we are. We've done it. We've actually hit the entry position on our trade for Nia when we found the bottom. We blasted off just hours later. And yeah, you want to talk about crazy stuff? This is freaking crazy how we have retraced all the way back, lost all of our altcoin spring gains. It's over. 66.99. We've been discussing this area. We're here. We could easily break below that at any time. Man, that's $10. Or of course that's $10. What I mean is that's $50 on the evening, man. Nick, dude. Thank you so much, man, for the $50 tonight. It means everything, dude. And it's more fun spread out, right? Than just one time, right? So you the Jesus, man. It means freaking everything. Can't wait for that rice. I'll say rice IPA, the Racer IPA. Sorry, dude. Thanks, my man, for the overtime pay. Lando is a real person. He is. Is he, man? Are you sure, Stuart? Can you be certain? Have you done DNA tests on Lando yet? Do I believe that aliens seeded mankind because they lost their ability to travel through space? Sounds like, hey, what's the price of Bitcoin in 2025? Sounds about, my answer would be the same. I can't give you that speculative answer that you seek, man. How about this? Aliens. Aliens. That's my answer. So much following on the meme TA video creators. There are no meme TA video. We created it. We invented meme TAing, Brandon. This is new. This is the revolution of TA. We created it in this freaking channel, Brandon. There was no one out there that had meme TA going on. They were just okay. So we will be looking at NEO to Bitcoin on the 4-hour exchange. As you can clearly see, we have a higher low established. That's TA. That's TA. That's all it's ever been. And before us, that's all it would ever be. But not anymore. Not anymore. It's over. We changed it. Let the memes flow like the wine from the Jesus, man. Stuart has been catfishes, fishes sticks by Lando bought Kappas, Mardi Gras Kappas, King Logan, or just regular Kappas. Big difference. No one has any idea if the dude is a meme or is he real. We don't even know, man. Is this reality? Is this fantasy? Yes, is lit now. That's right, Brandon. We did it with the Kappas. We couldn't do it without them. robots, Viking emojis. Yeah, you kidding me? You know what the TAs would say about me? Oh, who the heck would ever listen to a guy in a Viking costume? Who would ever listen to that guy? How unprofessional. That's what they would say. And it's like, okay, man. Okay. Have fun with your 20 followers doing TA boring and stupid, ineffectual presentation. Gifto? Oh God. Let the memes flow like the wine from the Jesus, man. I just closed my eyes and it came to me, man. It came to me. There's exposed in the house, his house. He did it, man. Glad you're here. Overtime, 27 minutes at this point. Y'all are wonderful. Let's go to, I think Dubai Review, if he's even here anymore. He wanted power. Dubai Review, let me know if you're still here, man. Let me know. Okay, so with this one, you had a breakout, but it wasn't that great yet. Okay, the breakout occurred. The huge downward sloping channel had been going on since February 3rd. You didn't truly break out of this until, man, that's like over 3 months, right? Over 3 months you were in that correction. Now you're out of it, but we said, okay, we have this small channel, miniature channel, and we discussed the 12,794 area right here, this horizontal line of previous candle body high close, break above it, hold above it. We didn't do it. We suck. We're scrubs. Oh my God, why can you not just do something right, altcoins? These beanie babies are just obnoxious, okay? There's things in TA you have to do, and they just don't want to do them. They're just like, nah, I'm good. I suck. I like sucking. I love not breaking previous candle body high closes. I love doing that, and I love going up, getting above it for a second, and then breaking down again, and being a scrub. Okay, that's what they love doing, man. But we're pretty close to a golden cross. I mean, if you do get above this area and hold above it for a little bit, you'll get that golden cross. But keep your eye on this one. It ran up and failed. Okay, ran up and failed. It technically made a higher high than its previous high, and it's making a higher low maybe than its previous lows. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not really convinced yet on this. I don't think you have not reversed your trend at all just because you broke out. You have not. What happened? Why? Your most previous low is the lowest low you've had of the entire correction. That's how you know you're still a scrub. What's your previous low doing? It's not a higher low. Okay, well then you still suck. Great. What was your previous high? Well, it was higher than our previous high, but it didn't close and didn't, sure as heck, didn't hold above it, didn't break it. Okay, so good for Veritasium, seeing some, showing some heart, whatever, on the chart, but okay, you get a participation trophy. Congratulations, Veritasium. I think it was how it was pronounced. My God. There you go, man. There you freaking go. Still a scrub coin, but not as scrubby as so many other coins right now in the market, okay? Okay. Hello? Hey, Brandon, man, remember, buying Bitcoin, man, is literally catching a falling knife right now, okay? I think it is kind of insanity because you're in a downtrend. You have no higher highs, higher lows at all. You run the risk of getting destroyed. You do run the risk. Going to sleep, waking up, and getting stopped out or losing money. Okay, so the trend's bearish right now. That's very well established, all right? So just remember, on very 12,794, you break that or you're very, very scrub. Okay, great. Too many celebs tipping through your accounts. Getting hacked by Russians.
New Cadence tipped $9. What a run, brother. See you guys tomorrow.
Heck yeah. Hey, Nick, man. Coming in, finishing the night up with a $59 contribution. Thanks so much, man. Means a lot. Really does, dude. That's awesome, dude. You made it symbolic. So, I love that. Alright, man. So, Nick, dude, $59 on the night. Racer IPA. Can't wait to drink that. If it's local, I'm going to find it, okay, my friend? So, thanks for being the Jesus. Thanks for all the support. And can't wait to see you again on the next stream, alright? Have a good one, man. You let rando celebs? What about you let Lando celebs through? Jeff? Undercover probst got DEA and CIA connects. 00 probist. Who? What? Where? When? Exposed. Cheers, Sam. Who's Vam? Am I Vam? Bitcoin is freeze right now. Pablo, I wouldn't say frozen, man. You're making a... You know, if everything closed right now, if the 4-hour candle closed on Bitcoin right now, you'd be making your lowest low of candle body closes since the top of the correction at 10K. So... You're surprised Dennis Rodman has not donated? My God, man. You'd be like, get a nose ring, man. Do it. Alright, Stuart, man. Be the Jesus, man. Thanks for being here. As always, man. Love all your support, Stuart. That's me. I'm Vam. Vam the man. Van the man? I thought you said Vam. So now it's Van? So I'm Van Vam? Okay, man. I did it. I've ascended in the world, and I'm now Van. Oh, my goodness, man. We covered a ton of coins. Ugh. I feel so patriotic, man. I love it, dude. Freaking love it. There went my last sip of coffee. It's gone. Gone like the wind. But now I have my water. My goodness, man. My freaking goodness. Did everyone have a good Memorial Day? Was it nice? Was it lit? Was it to Jesus, man? Keep going, Gore-Tusk, Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan Gore-Tusk, is that higher than Super Saiyan Blue? Cheers, Sam Crow, man. Well, I'm glad you're here, man. Welcome to the team, dude. Welcome to the team. Yeah, man, we've been going very hard this evening. And today, for that matter. Today I did like over 30 coin analysis. Yeah, man, today was pretty nuts, too. Walleye? What is walleye, Brandon? What in the world? Need Bruce Springsteen in the house? Ew. Time to call it a night. Need to get back to Cobra Kai on episode 6. Dude, do it, man. Just get through it tonight, man. There's only like 4 more episodes, Jeff. Do it, man. Report back. No mercy. Or you are screwed. Hey, seriously, Coach Probst, thank you so much, man. Top Jesus of the evening. Freaking love it, man. 159.57. No Crypto Tiger, you to Jesus, man. Stop talking about yourself. Oh, and yeah, and I can't wait till 2019 when they come out with season 2. It's gonna be nice, man. 36 minutes. Yeah, say hello to Emily. say hello to her from me, us, from all of us. A walleye's a fish? Heck yeah, man. My bad. I'm dumb. Or did you fillet it on the dock? You gonna cook it and eat it, man? Nothing cooler than that. Oh, I'm sure J-Mon, a tip from Kanye West asking for me to vote for him in 2024 will be called for soon. Caught him and released. Good man. Good man. He's in the sea. He got eaten by something else as soon as you dropped him back in the water. How poetic. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 2 hours and 37 minutes on a holiday, and then I had my 2 hour and 10 minute, 2 hour and 15 minute stream of the day. I think that was adequate, right? For a stream day, for a holiday stream day, right? Love the holiday. Love the holiday. Hey, Caden Malaviva, Via. I used to know, well, I still know somebody when his name's spelled like that, and it's literally pronounced Caden. Now, I know you could say Keaton, but I think it's Caden. I might be wrong, though. I just don't know, man. Bitcoin going lower, just $61 to the 7,000 mark. I mean, that's kind of expected, Pablo, but you know that, right? We've been talking about that. Like, hardcore been talking about that, so. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a lot of fun tonight. I freaking love y'all. I'll be back tomorrow, 3 Eastern, to see you again. Happy Memorial Day again. I know it's over, but just want to say, you know, thank you to all the veterans who can't be here today, who have fallen in the heat of battle throughout time, through our very, very colorful history in America, and couldn't do it without them, could not do it without y'all. So I am very grateful for them and you guys. So until tomorrow, stay hyped.
fast-forwarding and rewinding, that perfect spot you've yet to find. When that moment comes, you'll know just what I mean. You'll never find your resting place. Yet to perform, not free to walk on solid ground. A second chance, best not to waste. If you let me go, I will just be on my way. If you will let me go, I will just be on my way. If you will let me go, I will just be on my way.
What's up, Vegas? We're Spafford, if you guys don't know who we are. What's up, guys? How you guys feeling tonight? All right. We're just getting started here, so.